Hey guys, what's up? It's Mishti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishti Seva Gracias. I love Maggi, you love Maggi, we all love Maggi, so let's make Maggi today. So in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, some butter, and let the butter melt. Now add 1 small chopped onion and saute it well until it turns goldenish brownish in color. So it turns goldenish in color. Now add 1 small chopped tomato. Now mix it well. Now add 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup boiled corn, and now mix it really well. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of salt, and mix it well again. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Now add 2 cups of water in it and bring the water to a boil. So it started to boil. Now add 2 packets of Maggi noodles and the taste maker in it. The taste maker comes along with the Maggi packet. Okay, so now mix it till the Maggi is made properly. And guys, make sure that you try this recipe as it's kids' favorite. These are super delicious, super cheesy. I've experienced it and I know that, and I literally loved it. So you will really regret if you don't try it right now. So don't forget to try it. Okay, so our next step is add 1 cup grated cheese and mix it well. Mix it till the cheese is melted nicely. Oh my gosh, I can literally smell this. This smells so amazing. I love it. I really love it. Okay, oh my gosh. This looks so cheesy. I really want to have it right now. Oh my gosh. I love this. So, our cheese Maggi is ready. I hope you love this video. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye. See you next time.